This video will be a tutorial on using audio and configuration files with the PedConnex Android app. Once you have your Android device connected to your station, it is a good idea to check the firmware version of your Guardian. Tap on the firmware header. At this time, the most current firmware is 7.5.0. If your device has an older firmware, it will display pre-OAS. Now tap on the audio header. Tap on Configure. Tap on the extended press menu button, and tap Replace File. If your Guardian has firmware 7.5.0 or newer, PedConnex will allow you to send either WAV or Opus file types. Ped Safety recommends sending Opus files if possible, as these files are compressed and send much more quickly. Many standard files are already loaded onto your Guardian if it has firmware version 7.5.0, or later. If the file you selected is already on board, it will simply set it as the active file. PedConnex will inform you if this is the case. If you have custom audio files currently on your mobile device that you would like to send to the Guardian, you may notice that they aren't in the list of files. First, you will need to add the files to the PedConnex app. Tap the extended press menu, then tap Get from Downloads. Navigate to the location of the file you would like to add. Tap on the extended press menu button and tap Replace File. The list of files will display, including your newly added file. Tap the desired file to send to the station. You can verify the file was sent successfully by tapping the extended press menu, then tapping Play on Station.
Wait to cross Main Street at Maple Street.
The station must be powered for audio to play. If you need to save audio from one station so that you can upload it to another station, that can easily be done. Tap on the menu button of the file type you want to save. We will save the WAV file. Type in a descriptive name for your file. Once downloaded, your file will be listed in the list of files under Replace File. If you would like to load a configuration file from your device, tap on Save Load Station Configuration, then tap on Load Config. If your configuration file is not listed, you can add a new file by tapping on the plus icon in the upper right. Tap on the config file you would like to load. Now tap on the new config file. You can verify your new settings by tapping on Configuration. If you would like to save the configuration file from the station to your device, tap on Save Config. Type in a descriptive name for your file. You can now see your newly saved configuration file by clicking on Load Config. Always remember to log out of PedConnex when you are finished.